Hi, my name's With Our Treasure Hunt, and welcome back to the channel. And we just finished doing a live cooking show with Robin at Katahdin Mountain Mama Homestead. Katahdin Mountain Mama Homestead. And Anastasia Wishes. And I made chicken and dumplings, but we do it differently. My son doesn't like the noodles, so we found a different way to do it. I used chicken and peas and carrots. Then I make biscuits from the Bisquick recipe, and we put the biscuits on top because everything is all cooked and everything. You heat your carrots and all through and everything. You cook your chicken. Then you shred your chicken up or cut it up however you want it. You make your dough for your biscuits. You put that on top. Stick it in a 450-degree oven according to the package for your biscuits, and let that cook for 10 to 12 minutes. So your biscuits will be done. And this is how it comes out.
Don't mind me.
Oh, look at that. It's so good. Now that one got a little bit toasty. And all that goodness right there. Oh. So definitely some comfort food tonight. She is running around having a good time. She is so full of energy. We don't know where she got it from. So I have some in a bowl.
I'm over here trying to fill the vaporizer.
You are?
With the water in the kitchen sink is too warm. So I
There we
have to
go.
use water from the bathroom sink.
Oh, it looks so good. It's not hot because I had this out earlier, so taste test on the so go to Katahdin Mountain Mama Homestead. I will put the recipe down below also. But yes, and with this recipe, you don't have to use peas and carrots. You can use whatever vegetables you want.
You can use
Corn, butter beans, however you want. It comes out so good. Remember what your mama used to tell you? Don't talk with your mouth full. And the reason why is because you might just suck in a piece of food and get changed. But that is what we're having for dinner tonight. I will put the recipe down below and what I seasoned everything with and everything, and how I did it. But this is so good, and there's never leftovers with this one. I can guarantee you that. If you haven't, like, subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, and we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home.